If you're tired, guys, rest. Yes, guys, always rest if you are tired, right? Yeah. So that's 20. Let's see how much more we can go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Welcome in, guys. Let's do some workout this morning, guys. One of my many morning routine. Yes, my morning workout. Let's get up out of the bed and come and enjoy workout. My people, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Love you. Welcome back to Jamaica. Welcome back to Self-Care, Health, and Wellness. So we're going to do some squatting, guys, right? Let's do this, guys. Let's count and see how much I can do. Right? Let's go. So there, I'm working the back as well, right? The knee and the leg, the thigh, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you're tired, guys, rest. Yes, guys, always rest if you are tired, right? Yeah. So that's 20. Let's see how much more we can go, right? So we are shaking it out. Yeah. That's 10, 30. Shake it out. Shake it out. 10 more. 10. 40, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Please try this one, guys. Very effective for your back and your entire leg. Thank you.